In this video, I will show you how to make this boho skirt. It's a mix of crochet and macrame. And if you want to make this v-neck top, we made it in the previous tutorial, so I will leave you the link down below. Let's get started. To make this skirt, you will need lace cotton yarn. I use Melissa Perle number 8, 2 mm crochet hook, scissors and needle, and also an elastic band. Mine is 1 inch, so 2.5 centimeters of diameter, so it fits perfectly in my Barbie's waist. Start making a slip knot. And we will chain 40. This is my chain of 40. And now we will make a slip stitch into the first chain we made. So try to not twist your chain. Insert your hook into the first stitch and just make a slip stitch. Now chain 1, and from this moment we will work in rounds. Okay, so insert your hook again into the same place you made a slip stitch, and here we will work our first single crochet. Go to the next space and make a single crochet. To the next stitch, I will try to hide this tail inside and make a single crochet, and just keep working like this, making just one single crochet in each stitch to the end of this chain. So I will keep working, and in a moment I will show you what to do next. I'm making my single crochet number 40, and now I will insert my hook into the first single crochet I made, and I will make a slip stitch. So this is how round number 1 looks like. Now chain 1 and turn your work. We will turn our work after every round. So we will insert our hook again into this first, well, the last one we made, no? Single crochet, but right now it will be the first one of this round, and here again we will make a single crochet, and again we will make just one single crochet in each stitch, working all around to have a total of 40 stitches. I recommend you to count the stitches in every round, because when you turn your work, working in rounds, sometimes it's quite easy to make a mistake and make some additional stitches or just miss something, so I always count. Okay, so just keep working one single crochet in each stitch to the end of this round, make a slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1, turn your work, and again you will repeat the same. So I will keep working, making my 40 single crochets in every round to make a mini skirt. So this will be the base for my skirt, my boho skirt. And in a moment I will show you exactly how many rounds I made. So keep working, making 40 single crochets in each round, and in a moment I will show you how my skirt looks like and how many rounds I made. I made a total of 21 rounds. It has about 2 inches, so 5 centimeters of long, and for me that's enough. So here I will just chain 1 and cut my yarn, but obviously the length depends on you, so you can make it much longer. So this is what we have right now. we will go back to this part where we started, and here we will attach our elastic band. Okay, so I will insert my hook into this first stitch near to the seam, and I will take again my yarn, make a slip knot. I will attach the yarn first, chain 1, and I will enter into the same space. Okay, and now I will take my hair elastic band and I will work through the elastic, hiding it inside my work. So take your elastic band and put it on your hook. Now grab your yarn and just make a single crochet as usual. Okay, this is what we have. Now go directly to the next space, elastic band on the hook, grab yarn and make a single crochet. Go to the next space. I try to hide also this tail, as you can see, and I will make a total of again 40 single crochets, hiding this elastic band inside my work. So again, I will keep working, making 40 single crochets, and in a moment I will show you how my work looks like. I've made 40 single crochets all over the hairband, and now again I will insert my hook into the first single crochet I made, and I will make a slip stitch. So this is how it looks like. Now here I will just chain 1 and cut the yarn. Okay, and before we go to this bottom part, I recommend you to weave in all the ends first, so it will be easier to work. So I will weave in all these tails, and in a moment I will show you what to do next. So here we go. Our little skirt is ready. You can just use it like this, but now we will add the fringes. So I will put it here. I will take my yarn, and we have to cut 20 pieces of yarn. I will cut quite long pieces, I guess about 40 centimeters. So 40 centimeters will be about 15 inches and half. Why? Because I prefer to cut like long pieces and later trim it, and not to have everything like too short, because it's impossible to add the length to your fringes. Okay, so I will cut, as I said, 20 pieces of 40 centimeters, 15 inches and half. Okay, so when I measured the first one, I will just cut all the pieces similar length. So cut 20 pieces. Okay, we will insert them every second stitch, and as we had 40, so we will need 20 pieces. Okay, so I will keep cutting, and we'll see in a moment. I've cut my 20 pieces of yarn, and now we will start to attach it. So take your skirt, and obviously now we will work on the bottom. I will insert my hook into the first stitch of this last round. It was round 21 for me. Okay, so just this one near to the seam, and I will take one yarn. I will find the center. Okay, like this. Now I will take my yarn, insert it, and now I will enter here into this loop and grab the rest of the yarn and put it like this. Okay, so our first fringe is in its place. Now insert your hook not in the next stitch but in the second one. As I said, we will insert our fringes every 2 stitches. And again, grab another piece of yarn, fold it into half. Okay, put it on your hook, inside, and now you can just open this. I will just grab it with my fingers. You can make it with crochet hook also, but I don't know, it doesn't look very simple like this, but yeah, I prefer to make it like this. Okay, that's it. And again, not the next one, but the second one. Take another piece of yarn and just keep working like this until you use all the 20 pieces of yarn. So you will have just a round of this fringe all over. So keep working, and in a moment we'll see what we can do with them. This is how you can make it with your hook, but you have to grab through both threads. But again, it depends on you, how it's easier. I'm inserting my last piece of thread. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a little mess. Okay, if you want to make this skirt with fringes and leave it like this, you just will trim to the right length. I recommend you to use 40 pieces and to insert them in every single stitch. Okay, but as we are making something different, so like this, it's perfect. Now, doesn't matter where we start. I will place all of this apart. Okay, to not, so you can see exactly what I want to do. Okay, I have here 2 pairs. Now I will take this left side, so here this, of this one pair, and the right side of this one. Okay, so these 2 are the only pieces I'm interested about right now. Okay, now I will just grab these 2 pieces and I will make a knot. So just like this, but be careful to make a nice knot, and I will make it somewhere here. Okay, yeah, I think here it's okay. As you can see, I made a knot. Now this second pair, this second piece of thread here, I will tie with this one that it's just nearby, and I will make exactly the same. So I will make a knot, and the only difficult thing here is that we want to make the knots, all the knots on the same line. So this can be a little tricky, but don't worry. It doesn't have to be so perfect. And if something goes wrong, I think it will be okay. You can always untangle it and make it again. Now this second pair, this second piece, I will take my next one and I will take this part, and again I will make a knot. So I will just keep tying this like the pairs of neighbors. Okay, until I finish to tie all the yarn I have. Okay, so keep working, and I hope you can see it, how it looks like. So keep working, and in a moment we will make the next round. Here we are. It took a moment, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. So we will keep working, making exactly the same. So again, I will take the pair of neighbors and I will separate this. This I have on the right and this one. Okay, so these two ones are nearby and we'll make the same, so just make a knot. And again, try to make it like on a similar height, all the knots. Okay, now take another pair. So this one and this one. Again, make knot. Okay, some more here, and just keep going once again all around. I will show you how my skirt looks like after this second round of knots, and after this you will decide if this will be enough for you and you just stay with long fringe, or you trim it, or you will make a few more rounds. So how exactly your skirt will look like depends again only of you. Okay, so I will keep making knots and I will show you in a moment. This is after my second round of this macrame, and I guess I will make one more. So I will repeat exactly the same one more time to have 3 rounds of these knots, and we'll see how it looks like. This is what I have after round number 3. I will stay here. If you want to, you can keep making these knots to make like a net skirt. I think it would be really cool, like a long one. But I will stay here, I will put it on Emma, and we'll see how long we decide to leave it. It looks so cool. I want one for myself too. Okay, so the threads are really long, and I'm still not sure if to leave it like long or to cut it above the knee. I would guess I will cut it above the knee, just like here, or to the middle. Yeah, I will trim it like here. Okay, so I cut everything, and our skirt will be ready in a moment. Okay, you can just iron all these threads if you use cotton yarn as me, and our skirt is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more tutorials for Barbie dolls, and see you next time.